You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful three different flavors. Yes, upgrading your vanilla cake. You can make vanilla cream cookies cake, and you can also make upgraded vanilla cake. I have that recipe on my channel, but today I'll be showing you again. Yes, with strawberry flavor. These are all the ingredients you need. I already showed the measurement of the chief ingredients, why others you have asked exactly you want the taste to be. Okay, first thing, you measure your butter and add in your sugar. Yes, I'm working with 1 kg of butter. Yes, I will be adding sugar, exactly 600 grams for the mixing. Please, today I have a lot on my table. I'll be using my standing mixer to mix this, to cream it. So if you don't have standing mixer, use this wooden spoon and cream it. I promise you it will also come out beautiful. Yes, just cream till you have that fluffy texture. You know you are good. So I'll be starting from low speed to the highest speed. If today is the first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cake, and I do different pastries I know you will love. I'm sorry I lost my voice, but content must continue. So that is it. Right now, you start measuring your flour. After measuring the flour, you add in your baking powder and mix together. Please, it's important you sieve your flour very well. It's very important you sieve your flour. Yes, it helps to remove dirt if there is any, but here I have not noticed any dirt in their flour. But the main reason is that it helps to incorporate air to your cake. It helps a whole lot. So 4 tablespoons, 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Stir very well and you start sieving. After sieving the flour, you go ahead to break the eggs. It's very perfect doing it one after the other to avoid any bad one entering the whole thing. to create a whole mess. So one after the other is a good deal. So do it and you set aside. People say whisking it till it's white and fluffy. Please, whether whisked or no whisked, your egg will still be okay. The cake will still be fine. So just mix the yolk with the white. That is all. Measure out your milk. You need 2 cups of milk. If you have measuring cup like this beautiful one, there is a mark for 2 cups. Just measure it and you set aside. Beautiful. If you don't have it, you have the normal measuring cup, just do measure 2 cups is all okay. So to our cookies, I'll be removing the worst part inside. Some people call it the butter, some people call it the icing. I call it the icing because it tastes exactly like icing sugar. So I'll be crushing my, just like using something to smash it a little bit, not to dust, but to have it how will I explain it, as in chunks. That's exactly the way I want it. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please feel free to be a part of this channel only by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I post a video, you will get an alert. Okay, for the pan, I'll graze it with butter and I'll dust with flour, just exactly the way I've been doing it since day one. This non-stick pan, that's what I had, but I don't want to take chances. That's just me for you. So for our butter is pretty ready. You can see the sugar and butter. See, just imagine, so fluffy, so slicky, fluffy. So that is it. We'll be sharing into 3 parts because we are trying to create 3 different recipes. Our vanilla cream cake with the cookies, and we'll do the vanilla upgraded method that I've always done. If you have not seen it before, today you will be seeing it, and we'll be doing our strawberry flavor. So that's the way we'll be rolling it today. So a little of your egg, a little of the dry ingredient, that's the flour, stir together and you mix. Yes, after the mixing, we will now separate into 3 batches. When you're done mixing in the flour and eggs, so go ahead and start with the milk. Take in all the milk little at a time as you cream before you share out the batter. For the flavors, you have to add exactly the way you want it. Some want more flavor to their cake, while some want lesser. Yeah, but I'm incorporating a mixture of vanilla flavor and scotch butterscotch, while I do the strawberry separately. This for my vanilla flavor, and I have my Oreo cookies and cream cake. So just watch what I'm doing. As for the flavor, I'm not giving you any measurement because some want much, some want lesser. To the strawberry flavor, I added a little red velvet powder to enable it brighten up the color. That is exactly what I normally use. So feel free to drop a little red color to yours if you don't have red velvet powder. So I'm adding my black charcoal and golden syrup. This to the upgraded vanilla cake. Yes, cinnamon also to it, and that is that. If you're new to this channel, you have not subscribed, you're free to be a part of this channel only by subscribing. Have you liked this video? Have you liked this video? So feel free to, you don't need to over mix your batter. Just immediately the whole thing has already disappeared, you just stop. Yes, I don't like over mixing your batter. Is not a good thing because it will just congeal the whole thing, your cake. So that is that. Just turn a little and you just like incorporating the whole thing. How will I explain it better? Okay, folding in method. This is just like folding in method, folding the whole thing, and that is all. So like this video. If you have not liked it, give me thumbs up, encourage me, and feel free to share to your friends and family who want this recipe or who love cake. So this for the Oreo cookies and cream cake. Yeah, so lastly we'll be adding our cookies and cream cake to it. We only added vanilla flavor to this and the cookies and cream cake. This particular cookies has a different flavor altogether, so you don't need to kill it with much flavor. There's enough flavor in these cookies. Yeah, it helps it a whole lot. Look at the pan. I have already greased and dusted, so you can see the cookies and cream cake batter. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're one of my ODs, I appreciate you for coming back today. Thanks a million for always tuning in here. And don't forget to like this video. Look at our batter, looking so light and lovely. Isn't this beautiful? So go ahead and like, subscribe. Yes, look at that. Just tap a little on your table to close up air bubbles. Yes, and before you start mixing, if you have been following my channel, that's the normal way. Before you start mixing all the ingredients together on your oven, start preheating your oven. So right now the other ones are already in the oven. I have to put my little cupcake because I still have more batter remaining. So that is it. I'm baking this cake. It's around 30 to 35 minutes. Everything purely ready. Yes, please, one thing you need to know that all ovens are not the same. So Take your time, make sure you do work on medium heat, and your own will come out beautiful as this. Please like this video, subscribe if you're new. Look at the cake, looking beautiful. I need to allow it to cool because I have to wrap it. I'm not decorating it today. So that is it. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, look at our cupcake. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye.